most of you, I hope, will use either Matlab or Octave for the work in this class. We talked about how you can use also Python and OpenCV, etc. Matlab, or the open source version of it, Octave, makes it easy. If you're an actual student somewhere, really registered somewhere, there's a student edition of Matlab. It is less than most textbooks and a great thing for you to purchase. So in Matlab, images and matrices just work really well. So, here's all it takes to read an image, right? So we've got this function imRead, and we're going to read in, there's a file, peppers.png. And by the way, if you don't put these semicolons in there, Matlab spits out all the numbers, which is incredibly painful. And then what we're going to do here is, I'm going to take just the green channel. And the green channel can be indexed, because in Matlab, images have a certain number of rows, a certain number of columns, and you can think of this as the color planes or the layers. So when I say IM of colon, that means all the rows, comma colon, all the columns, and then 2, that's red, green, blue, so that's green. Now, some of you are screaming, no, Professor Bobak, you messed up. I will certainly mess up in this class, although I will mess up less frequently in this class than in my in-class class. Why? Because Megan hates to see me mess up. That's actually not really true. She likes to put it in there, but anyway. No, unfortunately, I did not mess up. Or fortunately, I don't know. Matlab indexing starts at 1. In sort of normal computer, 0 would be red, 1 would be green, 2 would be blue. In Matlab indexing of arrays, it starts with 1. So 1 is red, 2 is green, 3 is blue. That means we all the time have to be subtracting 1 off of indexes in order to be able to multiply them to get into other locations. The computer scientists out there will know exactly what I'm talking about. Just remember that Matlab is 1-based indexing. So we've got our green channel, which is just a single channel. Well, I can just show that, and if I call imShow, we'll talk about that in a minute, well, green has just got a single layer, so thinks of it as a grayscale image, and imShow in this case would just display it. And then you'll notice Matlab makes it really easy to plot things also. So it says draw a line, and can you see that red line in there? It just drew a line right across there. Ain't Matlab great? In fact, I can also just call plot. So what this says give me the 256th row, give me all the columns, and then plot it, and you'll just get a plot. By the way, I recommend highly getting used to sort of exploring your images, plotting the values, and being able to see is what's going on, what really should be going on.